Long-distance concrete pumping, a technique that is becoming a practice in modern construction. Having said that, it is demanding. It's not just the distance or elevation that matters. Concrete mix design, pump and pipeline configuration, climatic conditions, material availability, and above all, the teamwork, training and skill development to ensure safety. A really complex matrix of challenges. In spite of this, HCC established a new world record for inner lining of head race tunnel of 2,432 meters at Sainj Hydroelectric Power Project located in Kulu district of Himachal Pradesh in India. HCC, the leading infrastructure company in India, has constructed several landmark projects, including more than 25% of installed hydroelectric power capacity of India. The main reason for adopting this challenging methodology was the relatively smaller diameter of the tunnel.
So here basically because of the smaller diameter of the tunnel, which was like 3.85 meter finished diameter and 2.7 meter base width, we were restricted in the vehicular movements. So that means the vehicles were not able to cross each other. So in taking into account the time cycle requirements and the logistical restrictions, we were challenged to look for an alternative method of concreting.
So, methodology was finalized. But translating it into practice was a great challenge.
Once the method was frozen, selection of materials and the quality control was an important factor. In aggregates, for example, the fines content were regulated through proper control on the crushing operation. Similarly, the admixture selection specific to the requirements of concreting became an important aspect. Once all these materials were frozen, we developed the concrete mix meeting the requirements of concreting.
Now, it was time for a full-scale trial.
So once the lab mix was established, it was translated into field mix with the help of full-scale trials, measurements on pump back pressure, and also certain features, quality control aspects of pipeline. Once the full-scale testing was completed, we went into field and did the full-scale execution. The important aspect of this full-scale execution was establishing the control points, which were at batching plant, at crushing point, at pumping point, and at the gantry location.
Finally, the day of reckoning arrived. The chainage from pump read a gigantic 2,432.58 meters. Finally, it started. And after a tedious, anxious wait of engineers and fellow workers, concrete began to flow. A new world record was created.